Good morning there, guys. Just gonna be a little bit different here. I'm doing a voiceover, but taking the wife on a trip this morning. We're gonna go to Red River Gorge for her first overnighter and show her a little bit of the gorge. We're gonna go to Turtleback Falls, Turtleback Arch, Rock Bridge, and Creation Falls. We'll start with Creation Falls, but yeah, can't wait to get this trip started. We'll see y'all there. Okay there, guys. Just got done with Creation Falls and Rock Bridge. Time to hit up Turtleback Arch and Turtleback Pooch Falls. Then we'll make camp for the night. But yeah, let's keep things rolling. Turtleback Pooch Falls. Just beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Turtleback Arch. Kind of hard to get up here. Whew. I think me and the wife about fell off the side of the mountain, but it's worth it. Sunrise on the gorge. Nothing like it. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Head back over the hill now. Get back home and celebrate Mother's Day. But I'll catch y'all later. Well, guys, 6 miles. We did the loop. Went down to Rock Bridge, Creation Falls, Turtleback Arch, and Turtleback Pooch Falls. Pretty awesome. A little tired now, but let's get home and celebrate Mother's Day.